Good afternoon, sweet husband. It is June 4th, and I can't say we've made a lot of progress out here. There has been a lot going on. The last video I took was May 28th, so it's been several days ago. There has been a little bit that went on in here since then, but we have been having meetings on a project that we have coming in for Nexxtleft. And then after that, we kind of spin out. Even though the meeting is in the morning, something happens to us.
Yeah.
Get in our heads, I suppose. On May 30th, we did our little joint birthday party, which was a massive success. It was really, really cool. Maybe too well, because our flux capacitor that we built was full of wine. And between the four of us, we probably...
We put a pretty good dent in it.
Yeah. So then the next day, we really didn't do much of anything at all. And then the next day, our project got delivered to our shop, which happens to be in our house. Mm-hmm. And so we've been working on it. There's a lot of timing with gilding. So, and then it's just really hard to pull ourselves away to do others.
Yeah. So anyway.
And you can hear the thunder.
Yeah, so it makes things a little messy. But yeah, and I don't know if I actually have this in. I've just got it at least framed out and sitting where it needs to sit so we can get dimensions on everything else, get a good idea of what needs to be structurally supported, just because things are still a little weird.
And talk about this. This is the stove.
The range stove, and then this is the hood vent. That will go right here, and then so we got that.
And then above it.
We'll have the microwave. And the microwave needs its own support shelf and everything, so all this is going to frame out here.
And the reason why he started with this is this can't go anywhere else. The vent hole outside determined where that was going to go.
So if I can at least get this framed out, I can see how far back or forward I need to really make this, because it's not like a household kitchen where everything's a standard measurement, like 24 inches and things. So it's weird. What I can get away with and what I can't get away with as far as rebuilding.
And you also have to work around things like wheel wells that stick out.
Yeah.
But I'm real pleased with the added... I feel like you got more space here between the refrigerator and the stove.
So I don't know if I can't open this up now because that's there. But anyway, opening this way, opening up the fridge, if you'd ever have to do it, which I don't know why you would, but they both open. I don't think they did that before.
I don't think they did either.
The fridge that we had, that was a lot more narrow.
I think these cabinets came out a lot further.
Yeah, well, and I think there was something else that went on here too. So, and so that gives us more space to where, if we need to have more cabinets, we can have something portable that either pulls out here and can set up, or we can do a pull out here or something to extend, but make things compact where we can
move around.
Right.
And honestly,
make it feel more roomy, or be more roomy.
Yeah, because there have been other campers that I've gone into, and I feel so claustrophobic.
You can't even really get by each other, turn around.
Well, and it just feels like a dark cave.
Yeah.
So I'm really notice it's kind of dim in here because it's storming outside. But we don't have any electric on in here right now. There's no light coming in other than from the windows and the skylights. And even still, it's not cave-like. So yeah, and right about the time that we were getting our project delivered, Corey also has about run out of the
full length material that I need to keep going with the cabinets and everything else to get all that figured out. So again, just trying to go slow and making sure that it's as most versatile and easy to use as I can make it. I'm sure there's going to be things that I miss or whatever, but
and we'll adjust as things go on. We'll figure stuff out and adjust. I mean, let's face it, we could have ripped off the walls and quit. I was watching a video today where somebody bought a lemon, and my heart went out to them because they're just like, we don't even know how to start on this.
I think they bought it to live in it.
They
also.
Yeah.
They didn't even know where to start, and so as they started, they thought they were going to find
aluminum frame
like this
we
one.
did,
and there was no aluminum frame. It was all just rotted wood,
and
so
didn't have the skill set to figure out how to build a box back onto it, and so I think they were just going to scrap it.
Yeah.
Just say, oh, we're effed, and
yeah.
Which I hurt for them. At least we knew how to do this. I mean, Lord knows there's been moments that emotionally this has taken its toll.
Yeah.
It's definitely caused a lot of fights, and we're struggling through it. But I know on the other side of it, it's going to be okay. Yeah. Or at least I think it is.
Maybe.
Always an adventure.
Always an adventure.
Always. If you've enjoyed following along on our journey, the planned stops and the unexpected detours, we'd love for you to join us for our further explorations. Hit that subscribe button below and become part of the When Nerds Learn to Fly crew. We've got more adventures in store, and we can't wait to share them with you. Thanks for exploring with us. Until next time.
On a new adventure.